Hello, and today I will show you how to make wooden tools in Minecraft. So first off, you have to dig down a tree. It doesn't matter which type of tree it is. It can be any tree, but dig down a tree. We start with this one. So now you have dig down the tree. We take the logs and we put them inside here. And we hold shift and press here. We get all the planks into our inventory. So now we have 24 planks. What we do now to get our um, wooden tools, we take this and you right click here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 planks like this, and we get a crafting table. Now with this crafting table, put it down on the floor, and we will make sticks with it. You wonder why sticks? I will just show you. So when you're crafting and you click on this book here, it's like a guide for you to, so if you don't know how to craft something, it shows you how to do it. So if I want sticks, I press here and it shows me how to get sticks. And we need sticks for tools, as you see here. So I will show you all the tools that we need. To do axe, so we can dig down the tree faster, we put 2 sticks like this, then 3 planks like this. It doesn't matter which way it is here. It can be left or right. We will take this. And with this one, we can dig it down a tree much more faster. So, next off, we can do a sword. We need a sword always if mobs is coming, monsters. So doing a sword, we just take 1 stick down here and 2 planks, like this. We get a sword. I will just make some more sticks so we can make more tools. Now we do a pickaxe. And then you take 2 sticks like this and 3 planks above like this. You can also, if you want, to just press here on the wooden pickaxe to instead of doing like I do manually, right this. Or if you don't see it up here, you can just search it up. Wooden or pickaxe. We have to go here. Pickaxe. Pickaxe. We get it here. So with this one, we can actually mine some. With this one, we can mine some stone. We'll just turn it to day quick, so we don't come any mobs. And I will show you how to do a shovel. Very simple, 2 sticks and like this. So this is the tools that we probably always need. Dig down trees with the axe. You dig in grass and gravel faster with this one. You kill mobs with the sword. And with the pickaxe, you can dig stone. So I'll show you here. With the hand, you see here, it takes a very long time. But with the pickaxe, it goes much faster. And with this stone, it's a very good building block. We can build a lot of cool bases with this. But this is not all the tools that it is. We have more tools. So we can do 2 sticks like here and do 2 here. This is a hoe. For this, we can plant seeds. So we do right click on the ground and we have a seed here. We do this. This needs water and light to grow. Otherwise it won't grow. Or it can grow but very slow. And then we have the spear also. This is like the sword, but This is just like the sword, but it's a different type of tool. So that's everything you need to know about the wooden tools. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Bye.